All right, Celin, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are
Excellent, wonderful. Look at her. So you came in with all these tremendous scars from multiple surgeries, along with nystagmus and strabismus. Looks great. Yesterday we did her lamellar keratoplasty. We just changed the anterior layer with the star anti-toric varicose suture. Looks great. Looks great. How do you feel?
you? Feel good?
Any pain at all?
No.
Fantastic. And you can see a little bit today, I saw. Celin, very proud of you. Very proud of you. And thank you for bringing me all your university and t-shirts. I'll wear that with you. Look at her already. Coming from this scar, Amanda, this was her pre-op. If you can see this dense scar after multiple surgeries, she has no lens in the eye, multiple retina work done, all this scar. And today itself, day one, you can see lamellar keratoplasty. You can see the red glow behind. That shows the clarity. Perfect. All right, so now that you are ready to travel back?
Yes, doctor. We're all
Yes?
ready. We're all ready. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate it.
Been an honor. You've been through so many surgeries back home, I know that. And again, this is a way of rehabilitating the eye with the least intervention. So you can still do all your active work today. I'm very proud of your attitude. Keep it up. Yes, you can go back to school literally next week.
In August.
Yes?
Yeah.
August 5, but next week from my point of view. Celin, been an honor.
Oh my God. It's unbelievable, doctor.
My pleasure.
Unbelievable.
Absolute pleasure again. So I'll see you guys outside, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect.